oral polio vaccination drive is underway in all districts of Manipur for children between ages up to 5 years. Polio vaccine is being administered orally at schools, Anganwadis, private pediatric clinics, primary healthcare centers, community healthcare centers and district hospitals. A 3-day intensified pulse polio immunization program has kick-started at Primary Health Center Moray today. The intensified pulse polio immunization program is being organized in Moray town to provide polio drops to 2,181 children under 5 years in 3 days. Consumers Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam today joined Fit India Cycle Day Shaksham, which was flagged from Imphal Hotel, not AOC. The rally was organized by Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited on the theme Cycle for Health, Environment and Conservation. Many cyclists took part in the Fit India Cycle Rally. The Sauraigora faction of the National Democratic Front of Boroland Sauraigora NDFBS on Thursday agreed to shun violence, come overground and join the peace process. The NDFBS, under the leadership of its president, B. Sauraigora, signed a tripartite suspension of operations agreement with the central government in New Delhi. To give a boost to the peace process, the NDFBS has also become a signatory to the proposed comprehensive memorandum of settlement with the Bodo organizations. Jananeta Hizam Irabot Memorial Trust, in association with International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA, organized a cultural night show at Dharmanagar, Tripura yesterday. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Speaker of Tripura Legislative Assembly, Bishwa Bandhu Sen, said that Manipuris, especially the Meiteis, have been residing in Tripura, bonding with much love and peace with the locals from since time immemorial. He also lauded the rich traditional culture of Manipur. Sakhi One-Stop Center OSC, Jiribam District, conducted a one-day awareness program on women's issues and rights at Goakhal Karong Community Hall under the sponsorship of District Administration, Jiribam. In an uprising against the Citizenship Amendment Act led by the Naga public, a protest rally was carried out at supermarket in Dimapur demanding that the act be repealed. Various speakers at the rally raised concerns on the possibility of the indigenous people getting demographically overwhelmed and marginalized by illegal immigrants from outside the country because of the act. The District Administration of Assam's Karbi Anglong has promulgated Section 144 CRPF banning the use, stocking, distribution or sale of polythene bags in the district which has thickness less than 40 micron. The ban is put in place as the polythene is polluting the environment, according to media reports. The stage is set for the 3-day-long 50th annual conference of the Boro Sahitya Sabha, Boro Thunali Afat, the apex literary organization of the Boros in Assam. The conference will be held at Dauharu Fauthar, that lies on the outskirts of Khoirabari town in Udalguri district, from January 20 to January 22nd next. After Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray sparked a row with his comments on Sai Baba's birthplace, a Bandh was called in Shirdi town today. Sources in Shirdi said that the shutdown would be observed in surrounding villages too. Devotees thronged the Grand Sai Baba temple this morning, which is visited by lakhs every year as it remained open. China reported 17 new cases of the mysterious SARS-like virus today, including 3 in a severe condition, heightening fears ahead of China's Lunar New Year holiday when hundreds of millions of people moved around the country. The new coronavirus strain has caused alarm because of its connection to severe acute respiratory syndrome, which killed nearly 650 people across mainland China and Hong Kong in 2002 to 2003. Britain's Prince Harry and his wife Meghan have agreed to give up their royal titles and stop receiving public funds as part of a settlement with the Queen that lets them spend more private time in Canada. The announcement from Buckingham Palace on Saturday follows more than a week of intense private talks aimed at managing the fallout of the couple's shock decision to give up frontline royal duties.